A guy said, "Hey, let's learn how to fix the Instagram. No permission error. All we need to do is to head on over our Instagram account." So since this is the account that has their problem, all we need to do is actually hit a number. And our profile, which is over here in the lower corner, I want you to click over here onto the 3 lines and click on Settings over there. Now click on Settings, and I want you to click on Account, and over here, click on Account so that you may actually fix this problem. Here on Account, I want you to head on over on Tap on Linked Accounts, which should be somewhere here. And as you can see, once you're here, it's actually located right here onto the Sharing to Other Apps, because once you click on that, you may actually view that you have these other applications that you could actually link on if you don't want to. If you do have your Facebook already linked. Now, since this is a problem with the no permission or you have some permission errors on Instagram, basically it might have something to do with your account being linked with other accounts. And just Facebook itself, it's not really catching up on that. So the best solution to solve this is to just basically unlink your account over here. Now, all you need to do is to choose all of these specific accounts that you have linked in this case, for example, that we have the Facebook link already. All we need to do is to click on that and then unlink our Facebook from our Instagram so that we may solve that problem. Okay, guys, coming up below. If it worked, I'll see you guys in the next one. And again, this has been held to web.